For dividing with exponents, we learned that as long as your base is the same, that when we divide, we actually wind up subtracting the exponents. And your answer will wind up wherever the bigger exponent was. So let's take a look. This is 12 to the fifth over 12 to the third. So we're going to get 12 as our base, since the base never changes, and we subtract, and 5 minus 3 is 2, and it's going to stay wherever the bigger exponent is. So since the 5 was bigger and it's on top, it stays on top. So that really means that our final answer is 12 to the second power. Okay, coming over here, we're going to actually need this bar right here to be our fraction bar, because when we look at these whole numbers, 2/3, we've got a fraction and we can't simplify it at all. There's no common factor that 2 and 3 share. So 2 will still be on the top and 3 will be on the bottom. Now we can look at our x's, okay? Well, we know that we're going to subtract these and we're going to get x to the fourth power. The question is, where does it go? Does it go on the top along with the 2, or does it go on the bottom along with the 3? Well, since our bigger exponent is on the bottom, it's going to be down here. So you would have wound up with 2 over 3x to the fourth power. Now we look at C, so let's look at our coefficients first. We have 8 divided by 4. Well, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Remember, these are whole numbers. We're not subtracting them. They are just regular old numbers, and we have known how to divide 8 by 4 for some time now. Okay, now we look at our variables. Well, it's always a good idea to put a little 1 right here so we don't forget that it's there. And I'm going to subtract them since it's dividing. So m to the third divided by m to the first is going to be m to the second. And I just have to figure out where it's going to go. Does it go on the top or does it go on the bottom? Well, it goes wherever the bigger exponent is. So since m to the third is on the top, that's where my answer is going to be. And I really don't have anything left on the bottom. So I really just wind up with 2m squared as the answer.